Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jackie and I film weekly videos for you guys. Today's video is going to be all about the eyes. You can probably already tell from the thumbnail. We are testing out the Norvina palette. I'm super excited to try this out. The colors are just absolutely stunning. I have kind of heard mixed reviews on this. Some people saying that maybe they got a bad palette, that they hit pan like the first use. But let's open her up. This is what she looks like. Is that not just so freaking stunning? Purples are like not colors that I normally gravitate to, so that's why I'm super excited to try this out. It's always fun to try something new. They do just look really soft. I don't know. But yeah, so without further ado, if you want to see the look that I'm about to create with the Norvina palette and how it performs, then just keep on watching. In this palette, you do get 14 shades. There are 7 shimmer shades and 7 matte shades. You also do get the brush. Normally, I don't like the brushes that usually come in palettes, but the Anastasia brushes are always great brushes. Okay, now that we are all nice and zoomed in, I did go ahead and prime my eyes already, so we are just going to dip in. I know y'all like my broken nail. Dip into the shade Base right here, which it looks, they say that they're matte, but it honestly it looks like it has the tiniest bit of shimmer, but it does look like a perfect base shade. So let's just swipe that all over the eyes. I'm going to go in with the shade Incense right here, and also just put that in the crease. Oh yeah, this has a lot of kickback. So next I'm going to go in with the shade Soul, which is like this really pretty periwinkle color. And I am just going to put that into the crease as well. That is such a pretty color. It is super, super pigmented, so make sure you are dusting off that brush. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Love right here, which is that pink color, and bring that into the mix. It's just so pretty. I'm just bringing it up a little bit higher. Now, if you're familiar with Norvina, she's very, I think eccentric would be the correct word. She's just always, her hair's always bright colors, her makeup's always bright colors. So when I see this palette, I definitely get Norvina. I'm gonna stick to the purples and the pinks. So I am going to go in with the shade, we are going to take Celestial right here. I'm going to use it with my fingers because that's honestly just a true test. Oh wow. Holy freaking crap. That is so pigmented and so gorgeous. Next, I'm going to take the shade Wild Child, which is that pink, really pretty pink color, and do that on the inner parts. And kind of just make that a gradient. Oh my gosh. That is just so freaking pretty. I'm going to take the shade Drama, which is the deep shade, the deepest purple shimmer, and just kind of see if I can create a little bit of dimension. I feel like the edges are starting to get a little bit muddy on me. It's still really pretty. To finish up the look, I am just highlighting my brow bone with that Dreamer shade. It is a really pretty brow bone highlight. I feel like that was a quick and easy. Yeah, okay. So I think I'm happy with the way the look turned out. The colors were super pigmented, super creamy. I feel like the darker ones were a little bit hard to blend and they look a tiny bit muddy. There was definitely a lot of fallout. I had to do a lot of cleanup. So if you're using this palette, I would definitely recommend doing your eyes first. There was definitely a lot of product kickback here. I haven't brushed off my palette, but you can see like there's definitely like the Love shade and the Dreamer shade, but that is to be expected. It's not a big deal. I'll just blow mine off, and that'll work for me. Do I think this palette is a must-have? I don't know. I think it's a nice to have, only because this is a look that I don't think I would typically wear every day. It is really pretty, and obviously you can come up with so many more looks. If you guys wanna see some more looks with this palette, just let me know in the comment section down below and I can do that for you. But yeah, let me know if you like this look and if you have tried the Norvina palette. That concludes it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Click it, like it, love it, watch it, follow me on my journey. I'm having so much fun with you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.